Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a certificate to your LinkedIn account, so let's get right into it. First and foremost, LinkedIn is a social media service for businesses and business people alike, which you can use if you are a business to search for employees and to promote yourself further. You can also if you are just a normal person, you can search for jobs. You can make a network of people, which you can then communicate with and exchange experiences and so on and so forth. And you can use it as an online resume on which you can put any past experiences, any education, any skills that you have, pretty much as a normal resume, and so on and so forth. One of the things that you can add are, of course, certificates, which you can add in the following way. So let's get right into it. What you want to do is access your account page. You do that by either clicking on me and going view profile, or just by clicking on your account here. Once you're in your account, you can go to the add profile section, and if you go into additional, here you can find all these things and you can add whatever you want. Actually, I think it's not in additional, it's in recommended. And yeah, here you can add licenses and certifications, as well as recommendations and things like that. So just go and click licenses and certifications, enter the name of whatever you are doing, and just, yeah, enter all of these pieces of information that are required and what you want to do. And once you do, it'll appear on your profile by clicking save, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.